Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nitish. So finally here it is. This is the best Bluetooth speaker in your budget, and recently Mivi has launched the Roam 2, which is available in your budget, and it is priced at rupees 1100 and it is available on Amazon, Flipkart and Mivi.com. So you can go and check out the link in the description box below. This speaker not only have best sound experience, but also it has some cool and amazing features that you don't know about. So make sure you watch this video till the end to know more about the all new Mivi Roam 2. So now if I talk about the design and build of Mivi Roam 2, it looks pretty minimal and subtle, elegant look, making it premium end product. The aircraft grade aluminum grille of the speaker stand out in the odd, and in the hands it feels that this speaker is soft and durable thanks to its rubberized finish. Overall, I just loved the design of this Mivi Roam 2, and it feels like a rubber coating on the speaker. So now coming on to the audio quality, the Mivi Roam 2 comes with a 5-watt speaker, which makes up a great sounding speaker with punchy bass. In fact, the bass is the standout point of this Bluetooth speaker, and not just that, the speaker produces balanced stereo sound at highs, and it didn't distort much as compared to other in the same price range. The Mivi Roam 2 can go loud, or I must say loud enough for indoors. Also, you can also connect two Mivi speakers to get stereo sound. Compared to other Bluetooth speakers of this size, Roam 2 gives a great sounding audio and props out to the Swift Connect with Bluetooth 5.0. Overall, the experience of this speaker is exceptional, and on the top of it, it has an IP67 waterproof rating, and the Mivi Roam 2 is dust proof and waterproof also. Other than this, you can also pair two Roam speakers for double sound experience, which I loved so much. So now coming out to the battery of Mivi Roam 2, it packs in a 2000 mAh battery, which gives me 15 hours of continuous play, and the company claims to offer 24 hours at mid volume, which got delivered when I kept the volume at 60%. The charging time of the Roam 2 was 4 hours, and other than this, in the box you will get a USB to micro USB cable for charging and one aux cable for playing music through wire. Overall, the Mivi Roam 2 in terms of battery backup and charging time is pretty decent, and personally I just loved this product. Overall, I feel that Mivi Roam 2 has the best sounding experience, build quality, and it is portable and easy to carry. Also, at this price range, this is the best budget Bluetooth speaker that I would recommend you to go for it, and I would definitely recommend you also to go for Mivi Roam 2. You can go and check out the links in the description box below. And the most important thing, this product is made in India, so for Indian audience this is the best option if you are looking for a best budget Bluetooth speaker. So guys, that's it for now. You guys also let me know in the comment section below that what do you feel about this Bluetooth speaker, and do you like this speaker or not. Do let me know in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram for instant tech updates and giveaways. So guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.